Hey folks, today we're going to be hearing from our professional dancers at Ballet Palm Beach, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale, the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach the dancers and the teachers to be the very best that they can be. This is really ballet for everybody. Everybody. Being prepared for a performance is essential, so stick around and watch our professionals share some tips.
A few tips about show week and performing and being at the theater. It can be a very stressful time. A good tip is to make a list of things that you might need: makeup, snacks, water bottle, warm-ups to keep your body warm while you're waiting around. There's a lot of waiting around and then dancing. Also, rehearsal before a show is a testing time. Do you go full out, or do you take it easy for your body because maybe you have a show that same evening? Marking can be, you know your body. If you have an injury, you know to take it easy on that injury, but while you're on stage, you want to feel that space, you want to feel what your energy is going to be. So marking it, it could be a sensitive thing. Also leading up to the performance, I personally will, as I'm falling asleep, I'll go through my choreography in my head, just as I'm dozing off, not stressing out about it, but just picturing myself on stage and things that I might do if I need to make adjustments, really having that focus, but then also remaining calm at the same time.
We would love it if you would subscribe. Really, I would love it. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. It's really cool. And this channel is all about helping dancers dance better, teachers teach better. Remember, hit that subscribe button and I'll make you the best in the whole wide world.